Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'll show you my analysis of Tesla. We'll go through the earnings, look at the fundamental data, and finally check out my price targets for the short, medium, and long term. Let's begin. Yes, a week ago Tesla stock jumped 22% and has shown a performance of almost 40% compared to last year. Tesla was able to significantly increase both revenue and profit compared to the previous year, making $2.2 billion in profit instead of $1.9 billion and $25.2 billion in revenue, instead of $23.4 billion in these 3 months. Tesla grew very strongly in storage battery sales by 52%, but also in other segments that are becoming increasingly important. The trend for electric cars is showing positive signs, as other automakers like General Motors or Hyundai are also releasing new models. Regarding new model introductions, Tesla wants to introduce a more affordable mass market model. Tesla's expectations for the new model are very high, and they estimate a significant increase in revenue. They need this because their market dominance has slightly decreased from 49.8% to 48.2%. If a new model comes out, Tesla would expand its market dominance, so introducing a new car would be very profitable for various reasons. I should also mention that Elon Musk strongly supports the likely future president, and since Democrats tend to be the buyers of electric cars, Elon Musk probably wants to increase the Republican customer base. Let's look at the fundamental data. Tesla has a market capitalization of $864 billion with a PE ratio of 67.8 and a PS ratio of 8.9. When we compare with other companies such as automakers, we see that Tesla has a significantly higher valuation than other car manufacturers, even higher than Ferrari, a luxury car manufacturer. Tesla is currently at its average valuation. One shouldn't expect the valuation to go down significantly anytime soon. Let's quickly look at future growth. Profit is expected to grow by an average of 15%. EPS should grow by 13%, which is quite good. And one can say with confidence that Tesla could beat expectations in the coming years if they bring a new model to market. Now let's look at this visualized. It shows revenue, profit, and cash from operations. As you can see, cash from operations is quite stable. Revenue and profit are expected to rise massively in the coming years. With the right sentiment, Tesla stock will outperform most indices in the coming years. Before I say more about this, let's look at the other fundamental data. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe and write your opinion in the comments. Looking at efficiency, the company is above the industry in return on equity and also leads in return on assets. In recent years, the return on employed capital has been declining, but it will increase in the coming years. The company's health, especially in the automotive industry, is very important. As you can see here, Tesla is not over-leveraged and has very strong cash reserves and equity. The total-to-equity ratio is 10.5%, which is very strong. Now let's look at a statistic that I really like to evaluate: which interest management will likely pursue. Elon Musk is the largest shareholder and can therefore make massive decisions as CEO and naturally has different visions than investment firms. Now, let's look at our medium-term expectations. A few months ago, I made a video where I showed the last selling target zone. Right now, I don't have a near target zone, but I will show you a target zone where someone could short. If you want to share your opinion, write in the comments whether my expectations are correct or completely wrong. Tesla stock has declined significantly and could increase very strongly. I bought more in my own portfolio under $200, and it has been very profitable so far. Looking at my next price targets, they're between $380 and $484, where I won't realize partial profits but let it continue running. The target zone could become very profitable for traders, and if this video is well received, I'll make another video when the target zone is more precise. For people wondering if they should get in now, it depends on the type of investor you are. If you're a trader, I wouldn't recommend it. For traders, it should be an important point. You should only trade when the price is in the target zone with proper risk management. But from a long-term perspective, it's very profitable for stockholders, because if the stock grows into its revenue and profit in 3 to 4 years, it could rise between $800 and $1,388. the performance would be between 200% to 400%. As long as we don't fall below $180, the stock looks very bullish in the medium and long term. Tesla stock should be an important position in every growth portfolio, but also belongs in portfolios that want to bet on future companies with stability. In our YouTube portfolio, which massively outperforms the market, the stock isn't included, but I'm looking for entry points. Write in the comments which stocks you'd like to discuss next. There are many earnings this week, so decide what you want to decide on. Crypto also doesn't look bad. For traders, crypto looks very good, but there are also unique buying opportunities for long-term investors. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.